Now, today we are learn Visual Basic. What is Visual Basic and basic information of Visual Basic. Now, what is Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a programming language which is create user interface like C, C++, Java programming language which is create user interface. So that Visual Basic is also programming language which is create or allow to create user interface. Now, Visual Basic is commonly known as event-driven programming language. Now, what is event-driven programming language? What is event-driven programming language? Event-driven, the code of Visual Basic either unless and until the event doesn't occur. It means I have to fill up any online application like that. I have to fill up the information, a particular information on the online application. Then what to do next? I have to click on submit button for submit my information, or click on reset button to reset my information, so that a particular event is done. It means a clicking on submit button or reset button, a particular event is done, so that's why it's called as event driven programming language. If you a mouse drag on application form, or if you scroll your mouse on the application, it is also event. So that's why it is called as event driven programming language. Now next one is introduction. Introduction of Visual Basic. What is introduction? Visual Basic is a third generation event driven programming language from Microsoft. Visual Basic third generation event driven programming language from Microsoft. Its component object model programming model first released in 1991. First model is released in 1991. Second one is Microsoft intended Visual Basic to be relatively easy to learn and use. It means you can easy to learn and use. Visual Basic was derived from Basic and enabled the rapid application develop RAD of the graphical user interface application, access to database using data access and ActiveX control. A programmer can create an application using the component provided by the Visual Basic program itself. Now second one is basic information of Visual Basic software. Now paradigm. Visual Basic is based on object and event programming language. Now developed in Microsoft, first appearance 1991, 29 years ago. Now stable release, strong static operating system, Microsoft Windows. Operating system is Microsoft Windows and MS-DOS. On after April 8, 2008, Microsoft stopped supporting Visual Basic 6.0. Idle Microsoft Visual Basic team still Windows compatibility for Visual Basic 6.0 application on Windows Vista, Windows Server 2008, including R2, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. It means a particular Windows system run Visual Basic before 8 April 2008, but after 2008 it is multiple Windows system run Visual Basic. Now next is features of Visual Basic. Features of Visual Basic. Visual Basic was designed for a easy to learning curve. It means we can create your application easy way. It means you can create, design and learn easily. Next one, programmer can create both simple and complex graphical user application. It means a programmer create his graphical user interface application. They can use simple, or they can create simple and complex application. Now next one is programming in VB, combination of visually arranged component or control on form, specifying attributes and action for those components and writing additional lines of code for functionality. It means a particular controls placed on the form, then specifying attributes of the controls and action of those components. It means code these controls and writing additional line of for code for more functionality. It means more write a code, you can write code for more functionality. Now next one is full set of objects, so that you can draw your application. It means Visual Basic based on object. So it multiple set of object to create our application as you need it. Now number of icons pictures for your use, it means you can use number of icons and picture in your application. Response to mouse and keyboard action, uh, it means you can drag your mouse or you can scroll your mouse. It responds to the Visual Basic. Now full set of mathematics, string modeling and graphical function, powerful database access, and it's support the ActiveX control. Now next, this is the interface of Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 external interface. This is the internal interface of Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. This is the initial Visual Basic screen. Topmost menu bar, under menu bar, toolbar, left hand side toolbox, middle is form, under the middle form code window, next right hand side project explorer window, under the explorer window, property window, under the project explorer window, property window, under description pane under from layout window. Now next is Visual Basic project type. Visual Basic, it means we can create multiple type of project. So there are multiple type of project type: standard AXE, ActiveX, AXE, ActiveX Del, DLL, ActiveX Control, ActiveX Document AXE, ActiveX Document Del, it means DELL, VB Application Wizard. It multiple type of project types, but mostly used in standard EXT project type. Now next one, Visual Basic IDE. What is Visual Basic IDE? IDE is stand for Integrated Development Environment. Now integrated development environment is a term commonly in the programming world to describe the interface between an environment that we can use to create our application. It means you can use to create our application. It is called integrated. It is called integrated because of we can access virtual all of the development tools that need for our screen call as interface. It means we can use multiple tools for our application. It means you can use as the needed, you can use multiple tools. This loaded in the screen, this is called as interface. Now the next one is the IDE is also commonly referred to as a design environment or the program. The in the previous version of Visual Basic, IDE was designed as a single document interface, but is a Visual Basic 6.0, the IDE is a in a multiple document interface. It means a previous version of Visual Basic. It means a previous version of, it means previous version of Visual Basic IDE was designed as a single document interface. It means a single document at a one time. But new version of Visual Basic 6.0 multiple document interface. It means a multiple documents at a time are used in Visual Basic. Now next one is Visual Basic IDE is made up of number of component. Is made up of number of components like menu bar, toolbar, toolbox. So from first is menu bar. Menu bar is this menu bar display the command that are required to build an application. The main menu item have sub menu item that can be chosen when needed. The toolbar is to menu bar provide quick access. It means a menu bar to access quickly for our needed. It means we can create our application, we have to create our application, quickly access any command like file, view, project, format, debug. This is called as menu bar. Now next one is toolbar. What is toolbar? The toolbar give us to quick access to commonly use command which is displayed by default below the menu bar. The Visual Basic IDE provide additional toolbar for specific further purposes such as editing, form, designing, debugging. Now, see this image. The after menu bar or under the menu bar, toolbar consists. Now, this is the first is add project, new project, menu editor, open project, save project, type of multiple type of command. So this is use quick access on the time of designing of our application. Now next is toolbox. Toolbox is a consist of various type of control. It means toolbox contain a set of control that are used to place on format at design time, thereby creating the user interface area. Additional control can be included in the toolbox by using component menu item project menu. It means mostly use component toolbox. It means control used in our application, mostly use our application to create as you need your application. Now now toolbar consists pointer, label, frame, checkbox, combo box, horizontal scroll bar, timer, the directory list box, shape, image, picture box, text box, command button, option button, list box, vertical scroll bar, derive list box, file list box, line, data, etc. Now next is project explorer window. Explorer window is right side of the screen of the Visual Basic 6.0. Now the fixed structure of which place project explorer means the fixed structure which is placed in IDE means dock on the right side of the screen just under the toolbar is the project explorer window. Now next is and sorry and project explorer window consists of view code, view object, toggle folder, project name, form form folder, form module, toggle, view object, view code. This is the three main tools of project explorer window. For we can code window, we can direct view code, we can direct view object, we can toggle the folders. Now next is project property window. Now property window, what is property window? The property window is docked under the project explorer window. The property window exposes the various characteristics of selected object. Each and every form in an application is considered an object. Now each object Visual Basic is characteristics such as color and size. It means a particular control or a particular object consists a particular characteristic size, various type of border color, click control box. So many this is consist various type of properties. Now next see this is the property window or image. Now next one is code editor window. We can use this code window. The code window is used to write, display, edit Visual Basic code. You can open many code window as you module. It means you can code or we can application code we can write in this window like this. This image is show. Now next form designer. The form designer is the main window in the middle of screen, and in it is you design and edit the application user interface. Now next is form layout. Form layout means you use the form layout windows, which is the lower right corner of the Visual Basic IDE to determine the initial position of the form in application. It means you can after running your application, you can set your application form at topmost, rightmost, leftmost. So this is used for form layout to position set of the your form, set your position of form. Now next one is the process of programming process. Now firstly what is programming simply decide what your application to do by create an overall design. It means create your design as you are needed. It means your application how to create your design, prepare your design and decide and create in Visual Basic. Now next one is create the visual portion of your application, the screen and menu that user will be interact with. When you are create your application, then when you will create your design, interact with user. Now third one is add Visual Basic programming language code to tie the element together and to automate the program. Test your application to locate and remove and any bugs for you find, and compile your tested application and distribute the compiled application to your user. Thank you.